You don't need more. You just need less noise. Look at them, a mother and her child, moving slowly through the world. They are not searching for something big, not success, not answers, not meaning, just food, just this moment. She looks carefully, touches the ground, feels what is there. No rush, no panic, just quiet attention. And he watches every movement, every pause, learning not just how to find food, but how to be. There is no stress in the way she searches, no fear of what if there is nothing. She simply trusts the moment, and somehow there is always enough. He stays close, not asking questions, not worrying about tomorrow, just present, just here. And when she finds something, she doesn't rush to consume it. She takes her time, slowly, calmly, as if there is no need to hurry, as if nothing will be taken away from her. And he learns that too, not through words, but through watching, through feeling, through being near her. And maybe this is what we've forgotten: how to trust that there is enough, how to stop rushing through everything as if we are always late, as if something is always missing. Look at them now, eating quietly, no distractions, no noise, just the simple act of being here. And for a moment, everything feels complete. No need for more, no need for better, just this. And then they rest, not because they are exhausted, but because it is time. She doesn't push forward. She doesn't fill every second with action. She allows stillness, and he stays close, safe, calm, at ease. And as you watch them, something inside you begins to slow down too. Your thoughts become quieter, less urgent, less heavy. You don't have to chase everything right now. You don't have to solve everything today. You can pause, you can breathe, you can rest, just like they do. Maybe life was never meant to be this fast. Maybe you were never behind. Maybe you just forgot how to slow down. So stay here for a moment. Watch, breathe, let the noise fade away. And remember, you don't need more. You just need a little more calm, and that is already enough. And now, there is nothing else you need to do. No more searching, no more thinking. Just this quiet moment coming to an end. They've found what they needed. They've eaten. They've rested. Nothing was rushed. Nothing was forced. Everything happened in its own time. And maybe this is enough for today. You don't need to keep going. You don't need to figure everything out tonight. You can let the day be unfinished. Let your thoughts slow down, like the gentle movement of water, coming and going without effort. Take a slow breath in and softly let it go. Your body can relax now. Your mind can rest. There is nothing chasing you, nothing waiting for you that cannot wait until tomorrow. You are allowed to pause, allowed to be still, allowed to sleep. Just stay here a little longer. feeling this calm, this quiet, this softness. And when you're ready, you can close your eyes and drift a little deeper, a little slower into rest. You've done enough. You are enough. And now you can sleep.